So this is a video encompassing all of the technique that you would need on a level 1 Royal Conservatory exam. I will start with the C major scale starting in the right hand. So we're starting with C major, finger 1 on middle C, and here we go. C major scale, right hand. C major scale, left hand. So as we know, C major has no sharps and no flats. We'll do the C major triads now. We need the first, third, and fifth note of the C major scale, so that means we're going to be using C, E, and G for these triads. So here is C major triads, solid, right hand. C major triads, solid, left hand. C major triads, broken, right hand. C major triads, left hand, broken. So that's everything for C major you would need on your level 1 exam. We'll go now to the minor scale that also has no sharps and no flats. So that will be A minor. And remember, for the minor scales, you need two different kinds of scales, the natural minor and the harmonic. So let's start with A natural minor, no sharps and no flats. Here's right hand, A natural minor. A natural minor, left hand. For A harmonic minor, remember we need to raise the 7th note a half step. So let's start from A and count up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means we're on a G for a 7th note, and the G is going to become G sharp. So here is A harmonic minor, right hand. A harmonic minor, left hand. And now again for the triads, we need the first, third, and fifth note of the scale. So that's going to be A, C, and E. So for these triads, we still have all white notes. So here is A minor, broken triads, A minor, solid triads, right hand. A minor, solid triads, left hand. A minor, broken triads, right hand. A minor, broken triads, left hand. We'll move on to G major now. G major has one sharp. It is going to be F sharp. So instead of F, we're playing F sharp. Here is G major, 2-octave scale, right hand. G major, 2-octave scale, left hand. And for our triads, our first, third, and fifth note are going to be G, B, and D. Here's G major, solid triads in the right hand. G major, solid triads, left hand. G major, broken triads in the right hand. G major, broken triads in the left hand. And now we'll do the minor scale that also has one sharp, and it will be F sharp again. That is E minor. So E natural minor with just an F sharp. Here is right hand E natural minor. E natural minor, left hand. Now for E harmonic minor, we need to raise that 7th note again. So we count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would normally be D. So for E harmonic minor, we have D sharp as well as our regular F sharp. So here is E harmonic minor, right hand. E harmonic minor, left hand. And for our triads, our first, third, and fifth note are still all white notes, and they are E, G, and B. So here is E minor, solid triads in the right hand. E minor, solid triads, left hand. E minor, broken triads, right hand. E minor, broken triads, left hand. Okay, and moving on to our last major scale. Already there. See, that wasn't so bad. F major is our last one, and remember we have one flat for this one now instead of a sharp. And that is, of course, instead of going up, we're going down. So it's B flat. So instead of B, we're going one down, playing B flat. So F major is the only one with a little bit of a funky fingering in the right hand. No pinky in the right hand. Remember, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 before we cross. So here we go, right hand F major 2-octave scale. So So remember, the cross order is flipped. Instead of our regular 3-4-3, the cross order for right hand in F major is 4-3-4. So watch that back if you need to watch the cross orders again. Here is F major left hand 2-octave scale. Left hand, the fingers are normal. Don't change anything. Okay, and for our F major triads, our first, third, and fifth note are FAC. So here is right hand F major triads solid. F major left hand triads solid. F major right hand triads broken. Left hand F major triads broken. Okay, and our our final minor scale is going to be D minor, which will also have the B flat from F major. So D natural minor just has that F flat, the B flat. Here is D natural minor with just a B flat, D natural minor right hand. D natural minor left hand. And now let's count up and find our seventh note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would normally be C. So for our harmonic minor scale, we need C sharp. So this one's a little funky because you have B flat and then C sharp right after. So here is D harmonic minor right hand. D harmonic minor left hand. And our first, third, and fifth notes are D, F, and A, all white notes again for your triads. Here is D minor triads, right hand, solid. D minor left hand triad, solid. D minor right hand triads, broken. D minor left hand triads, broken. Okay, and that's all the major and minor triads and scales. We just have two more things to look at. Next is the C major contrary motion scale. This is the one where both of your thumbs are on middle C and they kind of spread out from there. So you're using the same fingers in each hand. So we start with finger 1, 2, 3, tuck, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, tuck, 3, 2, 1. And both of your thumbs end up on middle C. Here's that whole thing again with no talking. So that one again, that's the C contrary motion scale. And the final one is a 1-octave C chromatic scale. So we'll do right hand C chromatic scale first. Remember, you just need these 3 fingers, and it's mostly just these 2. We only use finger 2 when we have 2 white notes in a row. So the finger numbers are 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Here's that whole thing again with no talking. Okay, and here's with the finger numbers on the left hand. 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. And here's that whole thing again with no talking. Okay, and that is everything you could be asked to play on a level 1 exam, but also please remember, don't panic. They never ask to see every single thing. It's usually like 1 major scale, 1 minor scale, like 1 of each thing. So you do not have to play like 15 minutes of technique on your exam, but those are all of the things that they could ask. So those are all the things we should have prepared. So if you practice along to this video, it's 15 minutes long. Once you cut out all of me yapping, like 3, even 4 times a week, once a day would be like amazing even. Then you'll be in really, really good shape for your exam. So I hope this helps you practice your technique for your level 1 exam. Good luck!